Meals with Marcia. Today I want to share a recipe with you, and it is called skillet green beans. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need some green beans. Now, if you want to go to the grocery store and get you 2 cans, of the like 12-ounce cans of green beans, that's fine, and just completely drain them. Now, I've got my green beans that I made in the garden last year, and I've drained them right here in my bowl, and I have taken a pat of butter, just about, not maybe a teaspoon, and then I've taken some of my leftover bacon grease, maybe a half a teaspoon of that, all right? And I've got it in my skillet, and it's kind of sizzling, so I think we're ready. So you want it to be warm, and then you're just gonna add your green beans. But now remember, when you buy green beans, they're already cooked, guys. You just need to kind of cook them down a little bit and get some flavor on them. So that's good, that's going really good. So now I'm going to put some salt and a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to do some garlic powder. We love garlic powder. Now you season your green beans however you want. Some people like to saute a little bit of onion, and then once they saute their onion, then add their green beans. That would be good. And it's only going to take about 5 minutes, guys, to have these ready, because like I said, they are already cooked, and you want to cook them high. Like I've got my little stove eye on high, which this does not cook nowhere near as hot as my regular stovetop. So I would probably do them on medium high out on my stovetop. So anyway, I'm going to let them go. Now, let me talk to you about the can of green beans. The way I can, when I can my green beans, I put like a half a teaspoon of salt in them to preserve them before I can them. And what I do is I just drain them off. I don't rinse them. I just drain the juice off, okay? And that's all you need to do. So we're going to let these go, like I said, about 5 minutes. And sometimes they wilt down a little bit. They'll fall apart, and that is okay. All right? So I'm going to let them go. And then when we get done, I'm going to come back, and we're going to taste them, and I'm going to see what they look like when they're finished, okay? I'll be back in just a few minutes. Hey, everybody. Welcome back. All right, I've been sauteing the green beans about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, there's a few other things I always add to them right before I'm ready to serve them, and I did that right before I went back on camera, and that is Morton's seasoning salt. Did a few dashes of that, and then I did a few dashes of the buttery garlic seasoning. This is the Aldi brand, but you can buy this in the Kinder brand. And then I did like a half a teaspoon of sugar. I know that sounds very weird, but trust me on that. It kind of balances it out. It makes it delicious. But these smell amazing. Now let me taste those and see if we need to do a little bit more of something. I think I want another dash of seasoned salt. So good. Now, these beans, like I said, we canned these last year. I think these are pole beans, but normally my dad grows what they call Malibus. They're like white half runners. Those are my very favorite beans. Same consistency, everything is a white half runner, but they do not have strings. Now these will have some strings in them that we didn't string well, and we have to pull them out, and that's okay. But, so good. The Malibus, they don't have that. They will not have any strings, and they taste just like white half runners. Like I said, those are my favorite, but I'm just cooking up what I had left in my pantry. And I will be canning some more green beans this year. Now, if you're interested in learning how to can green beans, I have a recipe on my Meals with Marcia page, and if you go under the playlist, under canning videos, it's got all my canning videos in there about how to do corn, green beans, everything. So if you are interested, and it's not that hard, it is time consuming, I will tell you, and it tears your kitchen all to pieces and you have a mess, but it is well worth every bite. But if you don't care about canning, if you just want to go buy something at the grocery store, hey, these are going to be delicious. These are going to taste as close to canned green beans as you can get if you do it like this. But like I said, if you want a healthier version, the bacon grease gives it a really good flavor. But if you want a healthier version, you can use olive oil and a little butter and saute them that way and season them up however you like. Like I said, you can add onion to them. Some people even like to add bacon bits to them, things like that. I mean, there's so many ways you can do it. But you can have skillet green beans in like 15 minutes. Like I said, I have been sauteing 5 to 7 minutes, and then y'all seen how quick that was. So, and the green beans you're going to get in the stores are going to be cooked as well. So anyway, this is what our finished result is. This is what we're looking like, and they are yummy. So guys, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marcia, and don't forget that everything you need and how to make this is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.